Hello. Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Nobody joined yet, sir.
Still time is not.
Yeah, 5 minutes అయింది. Yeah. సార్ అయితే నాకు ఈ వీకెండ్ పంపిస్తారా సార్?
ఈ వీకెండ్ పంపిస్తాను. నేను రేపు సాయంత్రం కూర్చుంటాను.
ఓకే. చాలా చేంజెస్ ఉన్నాయా సార్ చేయడానికి?
చాలా చేంజెస్ ఏం కాదు. కొన్ని రిమూవల్స్, కొన్ని ఎడిషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి అంతే.
ఓకే. సార్ ఇప్పుడు టాబ్లూ అనలిస్ట్ కింద అంటే హౌ వర్క్ సార్? అంటే ఇప్పుడు నేను కొన్ని జాబ్ ప్రొఫైల్స్ చూస్తుంటే టాబ్లూ డెవలపర్ అన్నా కూడా టాబ్లూ డేటా అనలిస్ట్ అనేనా?
టాబ్లూ డెవలపర్ అన్న ఏదైనా కానీ రిపోర్టింగే ఇంకా.
రిపోర్టింగ్ అనే.
రిపోర్టింగ్ ప్రొఫైల్.
దానికి ఎందుకు సార్ చాలా రిక్వైర్మెంట్ అడుగుతున్నారు దానికి కూడా? అంటే
ప్యాకేజ్ ఎంత ఉన్నాయి?
యాహ్! ఇట్ ఈస్ మోస్ట్‌లీ 80-100K అని అంటాడు. మోస్ట్‌లీ కొన్ని కాంట్రాక్టింగే చూస్తున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే ఫుల్ టైమ్ అంటే ఆహ్, రెలెవెంట్ ఇది లేకుండా బ్యాక్‌గ్రౌండ్ చెక్ ఇయన్నీ జరుగుతాయి కదా సార్! సో, అందుకనే నేను మోస్ట్‌లీ కాంట్రాక్ట్సే చూస్తున్నా. కానీ చాలా వరకు ఫుల్ టైమియే ఉంటున్నాయి. అన్నీ రిమోటే.
టాబ్లూ డెవలపర్ అంటే ఏంటి అంటే ఈ రిపోర్టింగ్ అన్నిటిని చేసేవాడిని టాబ్లూ డెవలపర్ అంటారు.
సో, మనకి దానికి వాళ్ళు టాబ్లూ లాంటివి, లుక్కర్, డోబో ఇయన్నీ ఉంటాయి కదా సార్!
అంటే దీంతో పాటు ప్యారలల్ గా ఉండే టూల్స్
ఉంటే
కూడా
యాహ్! ఉంటే
ఏమన్నా ఉంటే యూజ్ చేయాల్సి
ప్రిఫరబుల్
ఉంటుంది.
అంటున్నారు.
అంతే.
సో, నేను నిన్నంతా ఈ టాబ్లూ చాలా సేపు చూసాను సార్ నేను. అంత కష్టం కాదు. ఐ మీన్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ అట్ ఆల్ నథింగ్ ఈస్ దేర్. అంటే క్లిక్స్ మనకి బేసికల్‌గా గ్రిప్ రావాల్సింది ఏది ఎక్కడ పెట్టాలి అన్నది. అంతే కదా సార్! క్వెషన్ బాగా అర్థం చేసుకొని.
అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు 10 సంవత్సరాలు పనిచేసిన వాడైనా గానీ, ఒక రిపోర్ట్‌ని ఆడికి కావాల్సిన రిపోర్ట్‌ని
అయితే
సింగిల్
మనం
ఇన్స్టెన్స్‌లో
స్మిత
డెవలప్
ఉంది
చేసుకోలేడు.
కదా సార్! లెట్స్ టాక్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్. ఈవెన్ స్మిత కెన్ అండర్‌స్టాండ్.
Okay. I would say like what I'm saying, even though if a person have 10 years of experience in Tableau especially, he is also not able to develop in a single shot the dashboard or the expectation which he is looking for the business. Why? Because step by step he need. Why? Because he know each and every functionality. He know where it is there. But it's difficult to estimate all those things. Okay. The only thing is practice and the vision. Why? Because if you want to create a visualization, you need to have some vision, right? How you want to see the data.
Okay.
Right. That is the main thing at here. Okay. For example, simply I'll try to give you 1 second. You're able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Tableau screen. Tableau screen. You are able to see Olympics too.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Now I'm closing it. I don't want to see things and I open Tableau. Okay. And guys, I'm just sharing one specific file with you. I want you to understand how you are going to upload this data into Jupyter Notebook. Tableau.
Okay. Chart low. Are you sending in the chart, sir?
Yes, right.
So also, to my understanding, from when they are, so Tableau is introduced in 2018 or 2017, right, sir?
No.
Kada?
Okay. No, kada.
Okay. I read it somewhere. Okay. Sir, I already uploaded this one to my Tableau.
Once check. Once now you opened it. Now once you open newly and open this particular thing.
Okay.
Okay, sample supers.
Tableau is first version is released in 2005.
Okay.
Revenue is 8,000 1 second. $877 million.
Sir, sir, one thing which I don't understand, if I keep on reading about the Tableau, if you take the scenario of Dubai airports, they are saying that using Tableau, we could generate revenue stream. We generated lot of revenue stream, one thing, and this is like just the data which we. No, I just wanted to understand from
Okay. What it mean? For example, what may be their statement? They are generating or they are getting some I want to say, like, how can I say, income from the Tableau. It doesn't mean like the Tableau is giving. If Tableau is giving that income, Tableau
no, what I
manufacturers
mean is
don't.
how do you?
Yes,
It's not.
I'll tell. Okay, everything is information. For example,
Okay.
each and every day, people will travel from different locations to Dubai.
Okay.
Okay. When they are going back to their locations, these people will have that information, right? The Dubai people will have which hotel they are staying, on what basis they are coming, and when they are going back, what type of purchases they did.
Mhm.
All this type of information is there. And then at the time, what they're doing, for example, in Dubai airport, what is the reason for to establish the gold shops and the gold jewelry and gold bars and all those things?
To attract tourism and to develop, increase the income. Like through buying, they will increase the income, right? And all the shops which they set up in the airport, they will pay the
And
rent.
there is no tax, I think.
And
Yeah.
there is no tax.
And that thing encourage people to buy there.
Okay, but actual thing, I mean to say, like, the real thing is different. The price of the gold and the tax, how much you need to pay,
Mhm.
that's completely another financial topic. We don't want this, but Tableau helped for them, to understand the people, to understand the customers, and to understand their requirements. For that, it helped. How they're analyzing the data. In the analyzing the data with very easily and in very understandable way, they are able to understand which country people are like. They're able to understand which age group of people like to come to here to spend their vacation. These type of things they gathered and they promoted and they planned very well. And based on that, it is help for them to understand the situation, past situations, and to forecast easily and to visualize the current situations instantaneously.
Yes.
Okay. For example, suddenly today 2000 or 4000 tickets will be sold and 10,000 passengers are came. What will be they need to have cabs, they need to book hotel rooms, they need to purchase something, they need to eat something, they need to they need to go for something, right? Go to somewhere. Each and everything is completely related to money, right?
Okay.
They need to understand their requirements and they need to set up each and everything. They need to plan accordingly. What type of prices they need to keep, what type of restaurants they need to be, those are available or not. How, each and everything is completely interrelated. If you're saying you read that particular thing, right? Just
Mhm.
try to go through that particular article. You're able to understand each and everything is interrelated and how the particular income is generating.
Yeah, ante maybe like while I'm reading, I'm not able to understand, because not only that, like the Verizon, they said they increased like you said, like the call cuttings by 43. Ante I don't know if I'm thinking it's right. All the thing Tableau do is it will do the analysis, it will make the reports, it will generate reports, and they make a dashboard with all the reports, like where how much data is there, how should you do ante the basic analysis. with that, how in the day to day, how the things will get solved, sir? అంటే నాకు అది అర్థం కావట్లేదు అనమాట. అంటే
సింపుల్ మీరు కాంప్లికేటెడ్ గా ఆలోచించొద్దు. ఇప్పుడు ఐటీ వాళ్ళు చేసే దాని వల్ల లాభం ఎందుకు వస్తుంది, లేకపోతే ఐటీ వాళ్ళు చేసే పని వల్ల ఎందుకు మనం పే చేస్తారు అంటే, వై బికాస్ డిమార్ట్ ఉంది అనుకోండి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ డిమార్ట్ తీసుకోండి. ఇఫ్ యూ కన్సిడర్ డిమార్ట్ ఆర్ ఇఫ్ యూ కన్సిడర్ బిగ్ బజార్ ఆర్ ఇఫ్ యూ కన్సిడర్ వాల్మార్ట్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద యూజ్ ఆఫ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఎంప్లాయీస్ ఇన్ ద స్టోర్? What is the use of software for that particular store? How it is generating the income? It doesn't mean like that they are selling some software who came to purchase the goods, are not like that. Okay, by understanding their pulse, they are trying to improve the sales. The type of suggestions which are provided by the analysts and the developers, they are going to, the sales is going to increase. Easy shopping made easy. Shopping made easy with
okay.
lot of implementation. People will very attract with the billing time and no queue lines. Then definitely people will attract, right? Like that type of things, sales will increase. Customer retention will be there. Customer, customer count will be there. Customer count, customer base will increase. These kind of activities. It doesn't mean like that directly it will influence. What is the use of software in medical field? What is the use of software in banking field? The thing is, in a banking, what is the main priority to success a bank nowadays?
Yeah, you can do everything online, like with that, like online. You
Service,
can, it
right?
became very
Service,
easy. Service became very
service, right? If service is good and people are very responding and fast react, they are reacting very well and they are providing very fast services. Okay, no problem. If they put some charges also, no one will feel. For example, if you go to any national bank or any public bank, you need to wait for them. No one will answer you. The customer base will be more at that particular government, I mean, say like national bank or this particular private bank,
private bank.
right? That people don't want to spend a huge amount of time in the bank. In previous days, if you remember, in the starting, if you want to deposit 500 or 1,000 into a specific account, it's a very big task. You need to go, you need to let it be in a line, and you need to search for where is the cash counter or something else, and then you'll check and they'll write, and they a lot of process. Because of the easiness of access and in a more informative way, only it will increase the customer base. That is the reason to increase the sales. That is the reason to improve the business.
Okay.
Okay, for example, just tell me, if you started a retail store, just you can think, okay, your retail store is in profits of 1 million per year after all the expenses.
Okay.
Okay. Now you want to improve your business. What you will do? What you will do? Just that's completely your business, and tell me what you will do. You are getting 1 million profit.
Okay.
What you will do?
So for improving our business,
yes.
so we do like
some marketing group,
retain our customer, like
okay,
customer.
How you will retain?
So we will provide them like customer
some
service
perks or something.
good, some like customer service and like
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
like
It is
provide
not.
them more loyal.
It is not that much easy. Okay. Okay. For example, you can consider you have a retail business. Okay. For example, a shopping mall. Not a mall, like a mart. For example, N Mart. Okay, Nirupa Smart. Right. Now in this N Mart, you're selling approximately 2,000 products. 2,000 products. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And these 2000 products will belongs to categories. Those categories are food and food and beverages, plus
Hello, sir. Sorry, I was late.
stationery. If any spelling mistakes, please avoid. Products categories: food and beverages, groceries, clothes, utensils, and five categories. Okay, these are the five categories. Okay, five categories. These particular these particular 2000 products belongs to these five categories. Okay, for example, food and beverages 600, grocery 700, plus 300, queries 150, stationery. What's the total sum? Okay, 250. Now, how many customers we can consider? Approximately. How many customers? I mean, tell me.
Maybe some 20-30,000.
Okay, just I'll show you the calculation. For example, you are expecting 20-30,000. Okay, 20,000 you can consider.
అక్కడ ఇంకా I don't think
20,000.
stock will last more than one day.
20,000 by 360. On an average, 54 members.
Hmm.
Okay, if you can consider even though the repetitive customers also, that is a 54 persons per
Hmm.
day. Your your mart will survive. Nirupa,
Sir, you mean with that customers?
with that much of customers, your shopping mart, which is maintaining 2000 products from different five, is going to survive.
I don't think so, sir.
Okay, how many employees, for example, to maintain these 2000?
Maybe
How many employees?
50.
Okay, 50 members of employees. Employees is nothing but 50. On an average, how much you need to pay for them? On an average, how much you need to pay for them?
On a
Monthly is
it
1,500 minimum.
Sorry,
1,500 minimum.
I don't think anybody will come.
per
sir.
month.
Yes, sir.
What is the minimum wage for 1 hour for part timers and all those things?
For Mars, it's minimum $15 per hour.
$15 per hour. Operating time, I can consider approximately 12 hours. More than 12 hours. 10 to night. 9 or 10, 12 hours of operating time.
8 hours, like 8 hours. Or
Only 8 hours per day operating time, not the job time.
okay,
How much
okay,
time the mall should, the shopping mart
okay.
should be open. For
Like
example, at morning 9 or 10 a.m. to night 9 or 10 a.m. Approximately 12
12.
hours,
Yeah, 12 hours.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 12 hours. How much? 50 employees need to be work for 12 hours. 12 into 12 into 50 employees each and every time they need to be on the floor. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. If 50 members, 12 hours means how many hours it is? How many hours of work they are doing?
180.
600 hours. Okay. Average working hours. Average working hours. For example, for a person, how many hours he can work? Can we consider 8 hours of job he'll get?
Yes, sir. 8 hours.
Okay, 8 hours of job. Then how many persons required for him?
6.
75 persons required for him to fulfill this particular 600 hours of work. You got my point? How I calculated this thing?
ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया ये?
Sorry?
Sir, it is monthly? I mean, we
No,
are...
daily.
Oh, okay, daily. Okay.
Okay, 12 hours. If mall need to be open, each and everyone maximum will work for 8 hours, right?
Mm-hmm.
After that, if 50 members, first 50 members work for 8 hours, then how many people required to work remaining 4 hours? How many 4 hours are there? 54 hours are there. Nothing but 25 furthermore people.
Mm-hmm.
That is totally 75 people. 75 employees headcount need to be required. Okay. For these 75 people, what they need to provide? One HR is required for it. Okay. Right? HR team should be required. And
Manager.
yes, HR team, entire people, you can consider 5 people or at least 3 people. One is recruiter, one placement, one payroll. You can consider in the worst scenario, 3 people. For these people, how much we need to pay? Yearly, you can consider the minimum 80K.
Mm.
In a worst case. What's your expenditure at here? Okay, this is the expenditure. Okay, for now, after HR team is there to maintain these people's attendance and all those things, they need to purchase some software, right? To their timings and to pay their payments, and they need to maintain some maintenance. Maintenance, they need to spend at least 10,000. You can consider another 10,000. Okay, this HR team is completed to maintain the in-house employees. Okay, now 75 people required for each and every day. Hourly, how much they are paying? $15. You can consider. Hourly pay. $15 in a day. How much they need to pay? $9,000. Okay, got it. If any one of you have any confusion at any stage, please let me know. $9,000 he need to spend on to maintain these 50 people on a day. For I would say like how much time? For
Yearly.
1 day. For 1 day. How many days we have? For example, 365. Remove those 50 days as a holiday or something else you can consider. Okay, remaining 55. Okay, 35. Okay, 320. Total, how much time? How much amount he need to spend? How much amount it is? Guys, how much amount it is?
28,80,000.
2.8 million, right? Approximately.
Yeah.
It's a 2.8 million. Okay. Now the total expenditure without rent. Okay. And what is it? This one plus this one plus this one. Okay. Right. It's now approximately how many millions it is?
3.1 million.
3.1 million. 3.13 million. Right?
Yes.
Just to maintain the head count and to give salaries for the people who are doing all the maintenance things and all those things. Okay. You need to pay rent, right? Along with that. Okay. Rent and other expenses. Rent, power bill, or each and everything you can consider. Rent approximately how much per month he may need to pay. He need to pay 10,000 or 20,000. 10,000. Is it a reasonable?
Yes, sir.
$10,000 for the remaining other expenses. Another 10,000. Okay. These expenses up to now. Right. Okay, he need to invest something, right? He need to invest to, I'm going to say like how much. Okay, now I'll tell you, you'll get a clarity. Okay, what is the total price up to now?
Plus other expenses. 3.15 million.
3.15 million. He didn't purchase anything. Okay, he didn't take loan from anyone. He don't have any investor. He don't sell any products. To maintain this thing, he need 3.15 million per year. Sorry. Yes, right. That year is okay. Here you need to remember 100,000 and here 100,000. How much amount it is?
3.3 million.
3.3 million. Okay. Now you need to keep your mart with all these particular products, right? How many food items are there? How many grocery items are there? How many clothes are there? How many cookeries are there? How many stationaries are there? What type of categories price is what? What is our purchase price? For what price we need to give? What type of discount we need to show? At what price we need to sell? Each and everything you need to do, right? You can consider all that work is done by the employees and with help of the software which we purchased and with the salaries and with other expenses which we are paying. That everything will be take care by the people. Okay, just you tell me. So 2,000 products are there at here. If you said like that, I'm going to say like, if you consider on an average, what is the shopping bill? Yeah, just try to tell me your when you went to Walmart, what may be your spendings. I'll take a small sample and I'll try to apply that thing. So can I consider 1,000? in a month?
1,000 might be too much, sir. Maybe 500.
500 in a month?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it everything okay? Everyone are okay with this?
So for groceries, 500.
No,
No, for groceries, stationeries,
other things. Walmart.
clothes, food and beverages, all
It's
those things.
include groceries as well, like 1,000. Because the inflation is very high, all things are going up. So
Okay.
like
1,000.
everything,
Okay.
clothes.
1,000 in a month, right?
Yeah. And
Okay. 12,000 in a year. Okay. Each and every person's average purchase you can consider 1,000. How many people are coming? For example, according to you, it's a 55.
Mhm.
What is the average daily income you're gaining from these people?
So
Not
how did this 55 come?
55 people are coming to your store.
Okay, okay, okay,
Okay. On an average, they are purchasing 1,000 rupees bill, the $1,000 bill.
okay, okay.
Okay. They are doing bill. This is not the entire the money what you got. Okay. In this 50,000, can you expect after all these things, you'll have 0.65. $0.60 into, okay, this is the purchase, this is the investment which you kept, and this is the profit which you are making on by solding those particular things. Okay, you can take an approximation each and every day how much profit you're getting on the product only. 22,000, right? 22,000 into how many days? We considered 320 days. Okay, now what is the profit you're getting for your entire year? How much it is?
So it's 7 million.
7.4 million.
7.4 million or
7 point, not 7.4, 7 million,
Yeah.
some odd for, yeah.
okay, this is the entire profit you are getting. You need to pay the tax, right?
Yes, sir.
How much tax you need to
30,
pay?
30%.
30%. I'm going to select 0.70 and this one. After that, how much money you have?
4.9 million.
4.9 million. Just for the investment, you may bring some money or you took some loan, right?
Mm.
You need to pay that thing, right? Approximately how much it need to be? You can consider 0.60%. 60%, right?
Mm.
Can I take it? 60%. This amount and this amount. What is the amount reminded with you?
2.9 million.
2.9
9.
million. Profit. If everything is went in a good way. Nothing but 2 point. Okay, you can consider 3 million. 3 million. Okay. Now just I'm asking how you want to increase this 3 million to 100 million. Don't say like that, change the values in the Excel.
Mm.
How you're going to?
So first we retain customer, making new customers, and we can increase the product lines.
Each and everyone are clear, right, on this thing?
Mm.
What
Yes, sir.
what I discussed up to now.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
or anyone have any confusions, please let me know. So how you will make this particular thing?
Mhm.
How you will do? Come on,
What?
tell me how you will do.
To 100 million, sir?
Yes,
Yeah,
100 million you need to increase.
like Smita said, like retain customers, give,
Okay. So,
Or
okay, for
making new
example,
make new
customer. And
customers,
sir,
like
we can improve, like we can increase our products,
the
our product
franchise,
line.
giving away franchises, like giving franchises to people.
if given, okay, I'm going to select, yes, I'm targeting about it. I'm not going to give in, you are not going to go in any model like a
Or
franchise.
we can
Okay, you
target
need to,
existing customer as
yes.
well.
Okay, existing customer, that's perfectly right. Each and everyone didn't come, right? For example, what is your
Yeah.
customer base? It means what is your customer base? For example, you can consider each and every one will come monthly once,
Yeah.
right?
Okay.
Monthly once. Then how many people should be visited? For 54, you need to come to 54. Once in a month means once in a day, right?
Mm.
How many customers? For example, 55 into 320,
Mm.
17,600 customers you'll have. You don't daily don't, we'll go to office, not to shop, right? Okay. 17,600 is your customer base.
Yeah.
You're getting what I'm saying?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. What type of information you'll have? How much information you'll have about this particular 17,600? You can consider like that. Oh, no, I'm getting only 50 customers per day. I'll maintain one notebook. It's not going to work out, right?
Yeah.
And sir, here also like in Walmart and Target, so they put other, like they invite the other restaurant like Starbucks and Pizza Hut, that kind of. So people come for food and they can like buy their stuff as well. So this is also
Yes.
like,
Those are all, those I'm going to say like those all are completely agreed and succeed formulas. Just now, we're starting, we're starting from the very start.
Mhm.
That's how I'm starting. 17,600 customer base is there. What type of customer information you'll have?
Their name, their address, the phone
Name
number.
they'll tell. Name you'll tell.
No, address and phone, phone
Phone
number or
number
mail ID, sir. Phone
and
number and mail ID.
Phone number and mail ID.
The credit
What
card
we
number.
will give officially.
The
Okay.
credit card number also.
What they'll take?
Mm.
Payment.
Payment details.
Yeah, payment.
Payment gateway. Okay. Can you please tell me, is there any useful information they can able to extract from the payment? How you did the payment?
Yeah.
Maybe they'll check based on the payment way.
Mhm.
Cash,
Payment. Okay.
card, in card, debit,
Credit.
Credit.
sorry, debit card and credit card and
PayPal.
what are the another way?
So PayPal, Apple Pay. There are so many now.
Those are considered as the online payment.
Okay.
Google Pay.
No, so PayPal has given now this QR code. We can do the payments there.
Okay, right. Online payments, cash, debit card, credit card, online payments. Check
Okay.
facility also there.
What's that?
Yes, sir.
Check
Yeah, we
facility
can.
also.
Yeah, we can give check also.
Okay.
But I don't know all the stores except or no. I have
Okay.
given one time to be, yeah.
Oh, okay. Check. This is the base. What type of information you are able to extract from this particular payment gateway? Who is the,
The
I mean to say
name
like,
of the
who is the very potential customer? What you'll think by seeing this particular payment base?
credit card.
Cards.
No. Potential customer means very valuable and lavish customer.
Okay.
If he is using credit card means, you know, he is also like me. For
Like,
example,
like
okay,
debit, credit, sorry, card and cash and
because
debit.
he spent all his salary in the first week, and you know, he's using a credit card to, you know, make the necessary things.
Maybe cash.
And he
Who give
uh,
cash?
who give cash? Maybe he's a daily wage person who is doing some unauthorized work. You're not able to say surely, right?
Mm.
If he is giving cash means something is fishy. You
Okay.
can consider whether he is a
Debit
low
card.
income guy.
Debit card.
Debit card, online payment, check.
Mm-hmm.
In these three, which one is a high one?
Sir, online
Who is
payments can for online payments we can use credit card, so we cannot say that, right?
why can't you say? I'm going to say like the transaction or the UTR number which is generating will indicate
Okay.
you that
Mm-hmm.
unique transaction record will indicate that this money came from where.
Oh, I didn't get your point.
I'm going to say like,
Mm-hmm.
for example, if you
Mhm.
transfer digital money, these
Yeah.
all the things are digital money, right?
Yeah, yeah.
If you transfer digital money, the
Mhm.
receiver can able to know that what money it is. Maybe the person don't know, but
Yeah.
if they purchase some services
Mm-hmm.
from those banks or from the payment acceptors, they'll give, okay, this is the this is came from this bank, this is came from this bank, this is came from this card, this is came from this card.
Yeah.
That type of information also those people will provide.
Mm-hmm.
That is not a big deal. That is a bank to bank transaction, right? That is a resume to I would say like that's okay to share.
Okay.
Okay, which one? Debit card or credit card? Credit card, remove the credit card, remove the cash. Debit card, online payments, check. Nowadays, online payments are doing, I mean, doing by each and every one.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
debit card and check. These are, I'll consider, these are the very
What?
potential and, you know, worthfully candidates.
Mm-hmm.
You can, I can consider these people are, you know, um,
They
they
always have lots of money in their account.
yes. Why? Because they're carrying the checkbooks with them. Okay. So on the debit card means if they are spending this much amount from their savings means they have a lot of savings. Okay, they'll spend very easily without any hesitate or with any pressure. I don't know. Okay, this is the second thing. This, you're able to understand, right? This thing now from here, this is just the one step of information. 17,600 people's information related to this phone number, mail ID, and along with that, what type of information you'll gather. What type of information you will gather? Okay, phone number, email ID. At the time, they'll generate after entering your email ID and phone number, they'll generate the customer ID with auto increment. We discussed it, right? With auto increment and unique, they'll generate. And along with this customer ID, they'll take the payment way. Okay. After that, the box will open or the scanners and each and everything will be happen like that payment way and bill and total discount and time, number of products. Okay. And along with this is the main table. And along with this, you have another sub tables. Okay. Category and product ID and product name. For each and every category, how many categories are there here for us?
5.
5 categories. For 5 categories, how much data they'll have? 5 categories, 5 tables they'll create. Along with that, customer personal information, it will be there. Total 6 tables are there. Okay, for that 6 tables, 17,600 customer base information need to be loaded and need to be generated, right? 17,600 into how much? 6 tables. 6 tables. 6 into 17,600.
It is 1,05,600.
Okay, 1,05,600 rows of data is generating because of these 54 customers. Okay, based on their billing. Okay, before they are coming to the billing, they need to put some order, right, to those vendors who are providing these 6 categories, and they need to price and entry into the system. Discounts and change in prices. And along with this, one more table. The person who built or who sold that particular item to you, that is also another table. You can consider it is a 7. Okay. And all this data also need to be there, right? How many products you have? 2,000 products. 2,000 products we have. These 2,000 products once again need to enter into this all the tables. Okay, this is the table, this is the table, this is the table. Now I hope each and everyone got some specific idea. It's not as simple to maintain to run an organization, or or to run the entire end-to-end application. Now, what are the challenges to you? What are the challenges? So I would say, look, we discussed it clearly about these things, right? What are the challenges?
Creating tables and
No. Don't talk about technically.
okay.
Technically, thousands of people are there. They'll do. What are the challenges? Why we need them?
So how can we make this customer permanent, like this kind of
Okay.
challenge?
Before that, what you need to know, you need to understand
Who are the potential customers?
no. You need to understand demand and supply. For example, people are coming to your store and you are not able to supply that particular specific product.
So what they want?
Gradually, what will happen?
They will go to other store.
They will go to other store. Okay. And you need to check raw and good storage and import. Okay, you don't say like that. You don't say like that. I'll import large amount of goods in each and every time. What is this particular thing? Expiry date, and each and everyone will expect. Freshly available products, right? Each and every one of us looking for the recently, which has more expiry date, which has more number of days. Expiry date, fresh, that should be freshly arrived. Even though if demand is there, if it is very old or very long, in most of the cases, people don't prefer. Not only the food item. For example, if you went to a showroom and you saw that like that, this is manufactured 4 years back, you will go for that, even though if you like. What is the reason? Each and every human's mentality is that. Okay, freshly arrived. For example, if they purchased very in front, what will happen? Very upfront? He'll get lost, right? Okay, for example, just we'll feel like that. He purchased how many, for example, he purchased on an average, one person coming, 55 persons, right? 55% coming, and he is taking on an average 30 products. Okay, customers and products. On an average, product 30 products, can I say? 30 products. Days. Okay, days, remove the days. Price. Tell me the average price. Average price of a product. $1? No, not a $1. $5? Can I consider
Five,
a $10?
yeah, five or 10.
$5. Okay, $10 I'll consider, for example. Not a 10. Okay, 50 products and $10, $500. How many customers we getting? It's approximately, yesterday we tried with the 1,000, right? Approximately 1,000 means 50, 100 products, 55, 100 products and 10,000. $1,000 he is spending on the 100 products. Okay, how many customers he is coming? How many customers he is getting? 55 customers. 55 into 100, total how many products? Each and every day he is that particular mart selling 5,500 products. Okay, 5,500 products. Now, so my simple question is 5,500 products they are selling per day. Okay, forget about the profit margins and all those things. If because of their sales pattern or because of they purchased very early, either maybe a beverages or a clothes or a outdated clothes or outdated utensils or something else, X, Y, Z. For example, specifically 5,500 product count wasted, how much they lost? How much they lost? If those are not sold, what is the loss they'll get? $55,000 loss they'll get if they choose wrong products which are not sold by anyone, which are not purchased by anyone, or which are expired. Can you consider in a food and beverages and some specific things? How you're considering the part? I'm going to say, like, you can consider this is 55,000. On an average, you can consider 20 to 30% will be the definitely waste. Like that, there is a, I'm going to say like 55,000. You can consider this 55,000 occurs maybe at 10 times. How much amount it is? 0.5 million approximately, right? Previously, how much profit we got? Finally, 3 million. From this, how much you have?
0.5.
2.5, right? Okay. Because of wastages and all these things. Sometimes, you know what you will do? The food and beverages will expire and the cloths are too outdated. And you'll plan to at least, if you get a 50% or 20% or 30%, how much you'll get? That's fine. I want to get, I don't want to be into a complete loss. I'll think in that way and I'll sold all those things. Because of those, I'll get approximately 0.5, one more 0.5. Discounts and offers because of time. What is the amount it is reminded for you?
2 million.
2 million. $2 million. Okay, see this one. How you are going to, that's okay. Forget about increasing the customer. First, you need to control the waste, right? What is happening? What you will do? Nirupa, what you will do now?
I'm thinking. So, so instead of buying, like if you take the fresh products, like in a bulk way, if we control, like instead of buying
Okay.
bulk, if
I would say like,
you
uh,
cut it into half, maybe there we can control the loss.
okay, if you cut it into the half, okay, maybe if you are not able to supply all those products to the required people also, they'll tell they'll try to come, they'll try to our store to purchase that thing, but they are not, that is not available at our store, and he'll go and he'll tell that particular thing, particular product is not available in the store to the 5 or 10 more people and 10 more persons, and you'll get a negative publicity, and you'll lose your name and fame, and you'll get a lot of negative comments in all the Facebook, all the social media and all those things.
So, sir, we
These are the
will do
adverse
like
effects.
we can improve our storage, like things like more,
Storage facility.
yeah, storage facilities or
Even though if your storage facility is also there, some beverages, the
Expiry date.
manufacturing date will be there, right?
yeah.
And the products billings, each and everything is with the expiry date and manufacturing date. That is a
So, sir,
mandatory thing, right, in the
yeah,
global
we
world.
can provide some substitute as well, like
Mm, substitutes. Okay.
like
For example,
yeah.
if you are planning to
Mhm.
sell a substitute, why you need to sell substitute? You can plan to sell this particular product, right?
Mhm.
For example, if you have an idea, okay, these products will sold out and it will be the shortage, we need to maintain that substitute. Why you need to maintain that substitute? You can maintain the original product, right? If you know very well.
Yeah. So for the fresh products, how like looking into how well a particular product is going, and based on that we can do the buying, sir.
I'll tell. For example, if you remember in your childhood or in your in your childhood or in your school days, if you remember, in each and every house, mother will take care about us, right? She know how much rice she need to cook for the morning, and how much rice she need to cook for evening, based on the curries and based on our situations, and based on our availability and unavailability and the holidays, what type of items you need to cook. If any occasions are there, she'll cook rice somewhat decreased quantity, and she will add some more items. That's the completely a planning, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Each and every mother don't waste rice in her home in most of the cases. Not from our generation, I hope so. Okay, so maybe our mothers, we saw that particular pattern. The quantity what she prepared is sufficient for all of our family members in most of the cases.
Mm.
No wastage. How she know each and everything. Okay, which this is curry today. This is the curry, right? Okay, he'll eat this one. Very good. So I need to I need to use some more rice, like that. Like that, we also need to plan. Okay, what are the products purchased by whom? How frequently these people are purchasing
Okay.
this particular product in this particular specific timelines? How many products are selling? How much stock we need to keep to fulfill the customer requirement? Which one is not sold out? We need to stop that particular purchasing product. Otherwise, we need to find out what is the competitive product which is selling by our counterparts or which is selling by the customers. We need to identify all these things. Along with that, we need to understand what type of combination of products people are purchasing. What type of, I mean, for example, if some people will be there, if there is any discount, then only they will buy. We need to concentrate and we need to understand the people who, if the discount is there, which type of people will attract to it. Who are the persons attracted and purchased because of the discount. We need to analyze, is a discounted like guy or discounted not like guy, or not affect any guy, not affected guy because of the discounts. He'll come and he'll purchase what he required. That is another category. Okay, will come, will go to mart to buy some specific product with our intention, but by seeing the offers and by seeing the look and feel, we'll donate our money to them. How you're going to analyze all these things? Okay, just see. We're talking about this, right? For example, if there is no wastage and no storage, storage is not a simple thing, right? Maintaining a godown or maintaining a warehouse is not a simple thing. If you properly organize the thing, you will save a lot of money. And if you're able to understand the customers, you'll have a lot of money. You'll improve your business a lot. If you're able to attract customers, that's very good. If you're able to send some specific messages to your customers about some offers or about some, for example, I purchased some specific food product continuously 2 months or 3 months. Okay, I'll induce, or if there is any discount on that particular product, I'll come and I'll purchase it. Just you think these 55 people turned out into 100 people or 200 people, how much profit you will get it? If, for example, this is the one way, what will happen if the person's purchasing average 100 products to 200 products? You're getting? There are requirements to do all these things, and analysts and data scientists and the forecasters or the predictions, all those things are required. Not only this business, any business, either it may be digital marketing, or it's a recommendation system, or it's a financial system, or it's a retail, or it's a food industry, whatever it may be. For each and everyone, is it clear, or anyone have any doubt? Or confusion? Hello?
Sir,
Yes, you're not able to hear me?
yes, just now I heard, sir. So what were you saying? Like, hello?
Yes, I'm able to hear you. You guys are
Okay.
not able to hear me?
So
Yes, we
what
can.
did you ask, sir?
I'm asking, I told to you guys, there, here, we need to control which products we need to keep store. We need to control which products we need to buy and in how much quantities. And we need to know about the customer taste and customer interest. We need to send some specific messages or specific requests, and we need to treat them in a very respectful manner and without disturbing them. All these things and all these insights will be given by the data scientists or data analysts.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
Sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Whatever may be the industry, this is the procedure, right? Control the waste and increase the customers and increase the sales from the existing customers. These are the three fundas for the business. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I provided some specific data to you, right? Can
Yes,
you
sir.
please try to load that particular data?
Yes, I did, sir.
You're able to load it in a proper way?
Mhm.
Sir, where?
That one which you gave, the sample store.
Yeah.
So if you load it, like the column names are like F1, F2, F3, F4,
Mm,
No, so
okay.
it's like country, state,
because
city.
yeah, because in the Excel, if you see, it started from,
Yeah, so
like
you
the
have to clear
seventh
Okay.
row.
Okay. Try to find out how to fix that thing in the
So, sir,
Tableau.
it's showing me like country, state, city, customer name, manufacturer,
You can
order.
share. You can share.
Can you see, sir? Okay. Let me see. Sir, can you see my screen?
Yes.
This is.
What you did?
So, sir, I like.
You loaded the new data,
Yes, sir. This one, like sample and superstore.
which I shared in the chart. Which I shared in the chart. You loaded that thing.
Yeah, this one, sir, right?
Guys, please help me. I shared that particular data now in the chart.
Sir, the one which you shared for me, it is opening from the 7th row.
Go to
Not
the
this
data
one?
source. Go to the data source once. Now you loaded now or it's a previously one.
Oh, okay.
Smita,
Okay, yeah.
is it a previous data sample data superstore data set or is the data set which I shared now
Okay.
in the chart?
Let me find. This one is just.
What happened?
So,
There you will have some empty rows.
yeah.
Okay, try to load the data into Tableau environment and
Sir, I
now
also loaded. Do you want me to show?
yes, can you please share?
Mhm. Are you able to see my screen? This is the, and we can see this
Go to the data source.
sample store version 8.
Remove the orders and users.
Or
Remove the users. Remove the users
the users.
from the edit screen. Not that one. From the edit screen. Two tables are there, right?
Oh, okay.
Yes. Remove that one. Remove the no. Remove that one. Bring outside.
Mm.
Bring outside. Drag and leave
Okay.
outside. Okay.
And orders too.
Okay, so.
Mm.
Orders table.
Mhm.
Row ID. Order ID. You don't have a first 7 rows as empty.
No, sir.
In the Excel sheet which you downloaded now.
Sir, I did not download now. It was the one you shared on A.
Why? I
Yes.
know, guys. I know I am already shared that thing. Why? Because once again I shared this thing.
Okay.
It is different from
I
that particular
cannot.
existing data set.
Okay. That I don't see the latest one. Where did you share?
I shared in the chart.
Yeah.
Chat.
Yeah.
See, sir, can you see the chat also? I cannot see anything in the
In the
chat.
chart I shared.
Yeah,
Yeah,
in
guys, you are able
chat.
to see?
Taru,
Not the WhatsApp chart.
Yeah, it's like
No,
Zoom
on
Zoom.
chart.
the Zoom chat only I am checking. I cannot see.
Maybe you joined late.
Yeah, she
Yeah, she
joined
joined.
late.
Oh, okay, okay.
sir, I opened it. I fixed it and I opened it in the tablet.
Can you send it one more time?
Okay.
I'll load that one. So to remove database, how do we do that? The remove thing is grade. See, I am unable to remove it. Edit connection and rename it only I can see. I mean, every time we have to add a new one.
You can add, along with that, you can remove also.
One more time. Can I please show you?
Sure, sure.
See, now I want to remove this one to add another one. This remove thing is great.
Not highlighted. Why? Because?
Yeah. Mhm.
Why? Because?
Disconnected.
No, not disconnected. Can you
Mhm.
please close all the sheet?
The-
No,
oh,
not all,
okay.
not that.
The sheets here.
Okay. Remove orders from there in the edit box. Yes.
Okay.
Orders from the edit box.
And remove the sheets.
Remove. Oh, no, you're not able to delete. At least one sheet is minimum necessary. Now you can go to data sources.
No. Or every time we have to connect and get the new one.
At least one data source should be there.
Yeah. Mhm. Okay. Because of that, I think I have only one right now. How to go back?
If you load it properly, then automatically it will.
Come.
You have to connect so Microsoft Excel. Click
To
on that.
connect to any data
Yeah.
source, it will automatically go
No,
to there.
yeah.
First one, open.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, got it.
Now you see, try to fix this thing. You're
Sir,
able
I
to see?
fixed it, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Nirupa.
So go be
Cool. Don't
Okay.
tell.
Then, sir, I'll
Don't
be
tell.
back
Don't
in
tell.
3-4 minutes, sir.
No problem. I also back.
Okay.
Okay. Taru, try to fix the thing. How you will?
Sir, we have to fix it in Excel or here?
If you want to fix it in an Excel, why the Tableau? What Tableau will do? It will play the games. If Excel did its homework.
Okay. Samples. No idea, sir, how to do that.
I already told in previously. Go to data source.
Data source.
Go to data source and select the use data interpreter in your left side.
Left.
Sheets is there, right? In the left side of the
Yes, sir.
column. And under the sheets, use data interpreter.
Okay, use the data interpreter. Data interpreter might be able to clean your Excel.
Update now. 1 second. Just you need to check those are properly or not. Okay.
Yeah, sir. Country.
Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir. How to do it now? Now I will remember.
Okay. Each and everyone, please try to create charts which you will feel interest, but each and everyone need to tell some story about that particular thing, why you generated and what's your intention to design that particular chart. Okay, is it clear?
yes, sir.
Okay, please try to practice. If you have any doubts, just post it in the group. Thank you guys, have a nice weekend.
Sir, sorry, I'm back. So you want us to make some charts based on this data, but we should be able to provide a proper why we did it.
Yes.
Okay.
First, you need to you need to prepare your questions,
Okay.
and
Mhm.
after that you try to design the visualizations.
Okay.
Just
Okay.
see the data in the Excel and try to find out, try to prepare your questions, and for that you need to prepare. For
Okay.
that you need to practice.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, don't, after creating the charts, don't create you know problem statements.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Happy
Have a
weekend.
good weekend.